Hello, dear friends, dear colleagues, partners, investors. We are here at Tribel Technology. And in general, during 2026, we will be spending a lot of our time here at Tribel Technology. From now on, you will be getting all the news directly from our workshop. And I actually have some exciting news for you. And I just can't hold back. I want to tell you as soon as possible about our plans, about the detailed plans for the future, about what we have already successfully accomplished, and exactly what work is already being done right now at this current stage. So friends, let me tell you what we have already accomplished. So here you see this cabinet. This is precisely the central distribution hub that is specifically designed to distribute every single kilowatt of electricity generated by our power station. So from here, the electricity is supposed to go to the compressor. And from here, this electricity should also go to the consumer. Let's say, for example, a house will be connected to our power station, and the wires from that house, right, they will come right here into this hub. This is just the beginning, right? Right now, we've connected our compressor here so that it is powered by the power station, okay? And accordingly, the power station itself, well, this particular wire comes from this cabinet. Here we have the heart of the power station, or rather, not the heart, but here we have the Tribel transformer, which we are not showing for now, friends, for confidentiality reasons. As part of the official regulatory reporting requirements for the Saudi Arabian electric company, we have specifically installed this device. This is known as an ammeter, which displays the current electrical load here in both volts and amperes. Why did we do this? This device is exactly what shows what load is connected to the power station. That is, we need to show here that we are generating, that the power station is generating 16 kilowatts, and that some consumer is connected to it, right? To our power station. And right here, you will be able to see that it really is generating 16 kilowatts. Furthermore, as part of this same reporting process, we need to install an identical device next to the existing unit. Modit? In this location, we will install exactly the same device, and it will show the electrical load that our compressor is currently taking on. And in this specific way, we will fully understand the process. This way, we will clearly understand that the power station is generating electricity, which then goes directly to the compressor, yes, and we will see the detailed readings. And we will also see the specific readings that are consumed by the external consumer. Friends, in the next upcoming video, we will reveal our first secret, namely exactly what is inside here and what the Tribel generator looks like. You will see it all, so be sure that you do not miss the next video. Hello, my friends. We are going to remove this unit, this recovery and generation unit. Why are we going to remove it? Because very soon we will receive new equipment, an advanced recuperation system. I am truly pleased about this development. The new recuperation system will provide us with more precise and detailed data readings. And we will be able to construct a power plant not just for 16 kilowatts, but for 64 kilowatts or even higher capacities. This current system here, which we built ourselves, doesn't allow us to achieve that. However, the new one coming to us has been specially designed and custom tailored to meet our requirements. In other words, a tremendous amount of work has been done, and very soon we will receive this equipment. Furthermore, as a primary part of the comprehensive automation of the processes of the power plant, which, by the way, will also be located right here inside our specialized control cabinet, the advanced control system for regulating the intake and exhaust of the airflow will be strategically placed here. Here, there will also be monitoring systems installed that will monitor the movement of the airflow. In other words, we must accurately measure the speed of the airflow. This is a very important element. We need to maintain a consistent speed of between 40 and 60 meters per second. You all probably remember this detail from before, right? And it is precisely this specific air mixture, consisting of powder and air, that we need to measure using highly specialized monitoring equipment, which will also be installed right here inside the pipe. However, that will be a completely different system and it will be installed in a slightly different location further along. But the principle remains exactly the same. And all of these individual blocks will be brought out here. All of them, yes, and they will be connected either via Bluetooth, can you imagine that, my friends? Or via Wi-Fi, or even via Bluetooth again. They will be connected to the computer, and on the computer screen, in real time, we will be able to clearly see the flow speed, exactly how open or closed the valve is, and what readings we have, meaning the current amperes and volts. We will be able to see everything right on the computer screen, and that's really great. That makes me really happy. My dear friends, we are finally getting very close to the professional and technical completion of our power station. And also, as a significant part of our broader movement, after all, together we are steadfastly moving towards our ultimate goal of achieving the Nobel Prize. And within this collective movement, this specific unit will also be removed, right? And while the necessary equipment hasn't arrived quite yet, we will set up our experimental laboratory stand right here, where we will comprehensively demonstrate the principles of tribogeneration. That is, we will show it visually on air, right? We have also successfully acquired a measurement device, our microammeter F195. It is a device of Soviet manufacture, quite an old instrument, you know? But thanks to the acquisition of this specific device, we will also be able to make a tribogenerator of significantly larger size. Why? Because this device allows us to obtain precise characteristics, the necessary readings. My friends, there is actually a significant amount of work to do, and much of it remains hidden behind the scenes. Why? Because for the most part, we are doing the same thing, right? Well, roughly speaking, we can't show you all the work, say, over the course of a month, how the power station operates. Of course, we checked its operation over a month, but unfortunately, we can't show you the entire month of the power station's operation. That's how it is. Friends, we still have a lot of work ahead of us. And please remember to subscribe to our channel. Make sure to stay informed about all of our upcoming news. Don't miss a single video, and you will always be fully up to date with all the latest updates. Also, my dear friends, I highly recommend that you purchase investment packages now, because our project will soon move to the 5th stage of financing, and the current terms will no longer be available. Please be sure to purchase your investment packages today, either in installments or at the full price. Especially now, there are various promotions going on that also support these most favorable conditions for all of you. Friends, don't delay, make sure to purchase. And this was me, the founder of the Electroatom project, Viktor Tiunov. See you in new videos. Goodbye.